Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. I think we couldn't get another push to the upside very soon. What we do is essentially again the same pattern that we did with we're following the same pattern as Ethereum, doing exactly the same thing as VeChain at the moment. So we're just following this uptrending channel here. Basically, you could call it either an ascending trend line or a channel. It doesn't really matter. It could also be understood as a channel where you just have that had that breakout fake out here on the, when was that, on the 10th of October, just moving along and forming that second shoulder of that inverse head and shoulder in my view. What is a bit tricky is that though we seem to have gotten already above this, so you could call it a neckline, we've already come above that in our move to the upside. So we're currently getting squeezed here a little bit, because you could say, that was maybe here the resistance level at pretty much that level where we are now, 113, 114. So maybe that means we are up for a breakout very, very soon. Let's just put that resistance line on the chart here, and I'm talking about that because that was the high back here on the 10th of September, the pretty much 113, 114 level. So what you can essentially see now that we did an attempted breakout, I think probably yesterday. We also need to understand what we're in this channel. So, we've now been pushed between the support line and this horizontal. So the price doesn't really move at all at the moment. Could really be that we're now coiling up for something. But what is significant that on the daily, significant, we know that we're in an uptrend. But we can see that this shorter term moving average here, the 20-day, is going to cross the 50-day moving average very soon. I think I said it in the last XRP video already. To be fair, we only had the bearish cross here on the 23rd of September. Since then, we've obviously gained some strength again, and we're going to do another bullish cross here, probably tomorrow or Tuesday. It looks a bit like possibly tomorrow, because it moves up quite quickly, and all that means is that it might be a more stable uptrend, whenever that happens. Look at this here, that was the 5th of August. Since then, we've moved up quite significantly, and also back here we had it, that was end of March. You can see how nicely we had this move to the upside then. But you can argue, was that really the buy signal, or was it because the price moved up anyway that we saw that happening? So essentially this cryptocurrency here, XRP, is just following the pattern that other cryptos have followed as well, and it's just one of the later ones, and it just needs to catch up. But yeah, I think we do a breakout very, very soon, maybe even today, because we are now getting really squeezed here, if that really is the case, between the horizontal of 113.5, 114. It's hard to make it very exact because prices are too dynamic, and the support level of that channel. So you can see that channel coming up here, and we're currently at a tipping point here at the support line of that channel. Will be very exciting to see what's going to happen now, but yeah, I think something is imminent. I'd be very surprised if we don't push to the upside. There could be another short-term drop here, and maybe then another attempt to the upside, but I think the wave for XRP is up, unless really something like the Bitcoin or Ethereum crash happens now. But overall, the way is up, and we're going to catch up with the other cryptos, like, for example, BNB, like Ethereum, like Phantom, and like some of the others. So it's looking good at the moment, and we already did an attempted breakout here. I think it was the 10th of October or the 9th of October, where we got all the way up to the let me just go onto the 4-hour chart. Had a bit of an attempted breakout here. You can see it on the 4-hour chart. We actually managed to get all the way up to the 123 level. But what you can see here are actually the Fibonacci levels. So that's why probably we had some stiff resistance here. That is the 122.40 level. That's one of the Fibonacci retracement levels, the 0.214 Fibonacci retracement level. And overall, it's all looking good. So we just need to move on in this channel. And then at some point, we should really see that move to the upside. At this point, Ethereum already saw a huge pump. And to be honest, we already saw that pump here on the 9th of October, but we've lost it again. So let's see. I think we're going to catch that up and then continue to move up. So yeah, looking good on XRP. And of course, as you might know, the long-term potential for XRP is what attracts me, especially. Now they're working in this Digital Pound Foundation, for example, to work on a CBDC for the UK. And XRP apparently is also within the UK the most popular cryptocurrency. Found that quite interesting. That bit of news came out, I think today or yesterday. I think it referred back to eToro, but on the eToro exchange, XRP is within the UK the most popular one, together with Cardano. But yeah, I found that quite interesting. So a lot of potential here for that cryptocurrency. Of course, there's still that uncertainty with the SEC court case going on, a little bit of back and forth going on there, but I'm quite confident that there will either be a settlement, even though Ripple denied that they won't do that. But yeah, I'm quite confident there will be a settlement, or that the decision will be in favor for Ripple. So that's what I think. You know, it's just no financial advice, just what I think. And you watch that 122, 123 level, because if we break above that, that's really where the big move will come, possibly even up to 140. All right, so hopefully you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe, and comment as well to support the channel if you like the content, and then see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.